Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's keep up with the euro currency analysis. So today we are watching for non-farm payrolls release. In general, recently we said that because of the recent Fed statement that's absolutely clear without any hints said about tapering is coming very soon, and rate should be changed in somewhere in 2023, just confirmed. Obviously, the market expectations, that was really significant impact for sentiment. As you can see here, we've got a reversal bar here and suggest the downward action. That was the reason why we said that currently it would be better to not consider any long positions, because this type of the performance here and on the intraday charts suggests that market at least should move slightly lower before potential upward action could happen, if it will happen at all, of course. But since market hasn't broken yet the major support areas of this upward swing, we're still watching for a possible, we still treat it as a retracement and still consider possible upward reversal later, probably on the next week already. Because in general, it's only intraday bullish sentiment has been broken. Initially it was really positive. We talked about this in the beginning of the week when the market was forming here pennant right below the major support, and this is bullish. When the ATP report was in favor of the upward action, the market indeed has shown the upward action. But later, Fed stepped in and crushed everything, so you can see this drop. But still on the daily chart, we have bullish divergence here. Trend also stands bullish, and currently we do not have significant reasons to suggest that market is not able to show some upward continuation later. So that's why currently we treat this as a pullback and watching mostly for some support areas where market theoretically could turn up again. Here on the daily chart, we need to take into consideration a couple of moments. First of all, this drop in the bottom of this is around 1780, because if market will follow some harmony, that could become the point where market could show or make an attempt at least to turn up again. Second moment, take a look, market is coming closer to the MACD line, and well, theoretically, right at the same area, it might be bullish grabber formed. So if it will happen, this will be additional advantage and point in favor of the bullish context here on the daily. So that's what we intend to keep an eye on the daily chart. On the 4-time frame chart, mostly we have the same picture. Yesterday we said that currently we are not considering taking the position at the OP, taking the long position, and mostly because of the strong sell-off, reversal type of the action here, and actually we have the huge bull bearish engulfing pattern. That's the reasons why we said that, well, probably it would be better to wait and see what will happen, because market really could reach the XOP as well. And what's more important, that XOP perfectly agrees with the idea on the daily chart. Here it stands 1790, while we talked about the 1780, so it's very close. So reaching of the XOP, getting of the bullish grabber right to this area, it might be just perfect combination here, and good background for starting thinking about the buying euro on the next week. Besides, non-farm payrolls could help with this if numbers will be more or less positive, or at least if they will be not as negative as the ADP numbers. So that's our view currently on euro currency. So watching mostly for this level and see what will happen on the daily chart. On the hourly chart, it's nothing important to comment. The one thing that we discussed yesterday, so we said this will be a great chance to go short if you would like to. It's minor pullback. And indeed, you can see that it has happened, market just retesting these levels from previous lows and turn down again. So, but here currently we do not have any significant patterns. So definitely market just waiting for a report. It's very sideways indecision action. So let's see what will happen a bit later in the day.